Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Calculating the probability of at least 2 successes in 30 trials seems tough, but we can solve this quickly using a simple binomial distribution model today. First, find the probability P that a single delivery exceeds 60 minutes. Using the normal distribution with mean 50 and standard deviation 10, 60 minutes is one standard deviation above. Now, model the 30 customers as a binomial experiment. We want the probability of at least 2 successes. It is easier to calculate the complement, 0 or 1 total success. Finally, apply the binomial formula for 0 and 1 successes. Subtracting this sum from 1 gives the probability of at least 2 successes, which matches our final correct option E. Smart move! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Don't skip at least. Always use the complement rule to check your N and P.